let's solve for the QD. 750 minus 10p. The form QD equals 750 minus 10p. QD dun sa A is 600. So, i-copy natin siya dun sa may QD. Ganyan. Then, equals 750 minus 10p. So, lipat natin yung 10p doon sa may 600. Ganyan. Then, 10p equals 750 minus 600. So, diba? 10p equals 150 is 150 10p over 10, 150 over 10, cancel out the 10p over 10, 150 over 10 is equals to 15. So pressure is equals to 15 there. So now let's write it sa paper natin there. Write the 15 because that's a pressure. So, diba? So now, let's solve for B. Let's find the QD naman here. QD equals 750 minus 10p. So, ang gagawin dyan is QD equals 750 minus 10p na times 30 kasi yun yung pressure sa B. So, 10 times 30 is 300. Then, write the 750. I-minus nyo sila both. There. So, 750 minus 300, the answer is 450. So, the QD is 450. So, we're gonna write it again sa paper. That's the answer. That's how you solve for the QD. So, let's write it sa paper again. There. Ganon. Okay. Let's now solve for the C. QD. Oh, we are finding the pressure here. 750 minus 10p. So, write the QD which is 300, I think. Yes, 300. There. Write the QD. Parang ginawa nyo lang sa A. 300 minus 750 minus 10p. We're gonna make lipat doon. We're gonna make lipat the 10p doon sa kanan, I think. Yes, kanan. 10p minus equals 750 minus 300. So, 10p over 10. Then, 750 minus 300 is... Wait. Cancel out. 450 over 10 is 45. So, the pressure is 45. That's for letter C. There. You need to write it on paper, of course. Then, let's now solve for the D. We're finding the QD here. 750 minus 10p. So, D is, the pressure is 60. So, 750 minus 10 times 60. 10 times 60 is 600. So, yan. 10 times 60, 600. 750 minus 600. The answer, the QD is equals to 150. There. That's the QD for letter D. Okay. So, let's now solve for the E. The QD is 0. So, QD, write the form. 750 minus 10p. So, sa QD, ang isusulat mo doon is 0 because 0 na nga, diba? 0 equals 750 minus 10p. So, yan. Lip up mo yung 10p doon. Oh. Equals 750 minus 0. Yeah, 0. So, 10p over 10 equals 750 over 10. Cancel out the 10p over 10. 750 divided by 10 is 75. So, the pressure is 75. So, that's the answer for letter E. Okay, understood, guys. That's the 75. Tcharam!